Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get API keys in OpenAI ChatGPT. Well, it's very easy thing to do, so you have to just go to Google here, and once you are into Google here you have to type platform ChatGPT, and once you do it you will get this link here, OpenAI API overview. Just click on this. Once you click on this, here it will open OpenAI platform. First of all, you have to log in into this. So if I just click on login here, it will ask my ID, so I will just use my ID. By the way, you can also log in by using your Google Microsoft account too, right? So I've already made an ID, then I will just click on continue here. So now here on the left side, you will see an option of API keys. So just click on API keys. By the way, if you're not able to find the API keys, on the top right, just go and click on dashboard. And once you're here into the dashboard, you will able to figure out this API keys. Now here it will ask you to create a new secret key, which you have to create it. So for example, here I'm just writing a test and project is by default, right? If you want to change the permission, you can change it. So I will click on create a secret key. So just take a few seconds of time and create a secret key, and you can just copy that key and paste it wherever you can use it wherever you want. So this is how you can just create your API keys, and I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.